For HCl at pH equals 2, H to the power plus equals 10 to the power minus 2 moles of H to the power plus equals 150 times 10 to the power minus 2 equals 1.5 mole. For NaOH at pH equals 12, POH equals 2, so OH to the power equals 10 to the power minus 2 moles of OH to the power equals 350 times 10 to the power minus 2 equals 3.5 mole. Upon mixing, H to the power plus and OH to the power neutralize. Remaining OH to the power equals 3.5 to 1.5 equals 2.0 mole. Total volume is 150 plus 350 equals 500 ml. Final, OH to the power equals 2.0 divided by 500 equals 4 times 10 to the power minus 3 m. POH equals log 4 times 10 to the power minus 3 equals 3 log 4 equals 3, 0.602 equals 2.4. The resulting pH equals 14, 2.4 equals 11.6. The answer is 11.6.